My name is Cousin Danny, and I empower students to move.
His performances are so high energy, and the kids love getting up and dancing with him.
Your teachers love it when you move, especially during recess, because when you come back to class, you are now motivated, you're more kind, you can pay attention, you're focused, you're actually happier to be in there.
It's really great to see the kids dancing and even the teachers dancing. It's a really joyful experience.
Elementary school kids are the happiest people on earth. Why? Because they have what is called recess.
And the energy that he brings to our students is just the best kickoff for the year.
And if we could do this, our classrooms can be happy, our teachers could be happy, it could be happiness is now every day.
The fact that for days, students are going to be doing these dances and just talking about Cousin Danny and the message that he gave.
We just spread happiness through movement.
His message is so fun and kid-friendly. Students are talking about this assembly for weeks after, and we're always so grateful for the just joyous energy that he brings to our campus.
If you see somebody that's not playing, introduce yourself to that person and bring them on to your crew. Introduce them, make some new friends. When I hear music, I turn on my brain and then I start moving. Hits my happy brain chemicals. And we all have 4 happy brain chemicals: dopamine, oxytocin, serotonin, and endorphins. Find your passions, be kind to each other, have a good time, and always say thank you to your teachers, and always, always spread happiness through movement